Let's get right into it. For me, the best part about this course was that I learned a lot about the inner workings of leadership, particularly being able to hone in on aspects regarding my own leadership style. I realized that although I'm very task-oriented, know how to get things done, meet deadlines, and hit metrics or goals, that's literally all I've been focusing on. Building relationships, resolving conflicts, overcoming obstacles are all things I'd been avoiding. I'm now learning the value of building relationships within my organization, and that leadership is less about the leader and more about who you are leading. I plan on using tactics to be more inclusive, manage conflict, and to adapt my leadership style based on the individual or task that I'm undertaking. If a task is complex or unclear, I need to apply a directive style of leadership. If a task is simple or repetitive, I need to apply a supportive leadership style. And if those I lead are feeling uninvolved or unchallenged, that's when I apply a participative or achievement-oriented leadership style. I learned that the best way to resolve conflicts is through principled negotiation, which is a more collaborative style instead of avoidance or a competing approach. And that the best way to include others is to make sure I'm helping to create a supportive and inclusive environment. I was beginning to feel like I was hitting a wall, but now I see that being more open to change and facing challenges head on is part of the leadership journey, and that failure is a part of the process. It's how we learn. From the various assessments I took regarding leadership to the IE Games simulation, where the correct decision wasn't always so clear, I was able to learn more about myself and what my strengths and weaknesses were, which gave me insight into the things I needed to focus on to create balance in my leadership approach. So much of it all goes back to people, listening to people, supporting people, having empathy, and examining my own motivations and purpose, which, in all honesty, is the most rewarding of all. Well, thank you for taking the time to listen to my final project for OGL 200, and I wish you all the best of luck on your endeavors.
Created using Powtoon.